Hey guys, what's up? We'll begin in 1 minute, 2 minutes actually. Be right back, huh? Coming. Hey guys, did you update your app? Did everyone update your app? Okay, give me 1 second. I'm gonna update my app and come. 1 second. Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? One sec, I'm just testing something. Oh, so cool. Yeah, my mic is golden, not visible. It's visible for me. Can you guys not see it? What the hell? Did you guys update it? Did you guys update No, did you see the GIF? Now you can see. Be damn weird if you couldn't see that GIF. No. So there's one feature where as soon as I come on stage, this thing comes in the background. I don't know why it's not working for me. Okay, fine. Good stuff. No, GIF will take time, I think, to load on your screens. I'm glowing? Yeah, I'm glowing. So nice how it looks. Such a nice glow. Yeah, we can see the GIFs. Can you guys share a GIF and see? Will it work? Let me try some basic GIF. Tell me if you guys can see it. Okay, interesting. I am only human. Okay, just go refer someone and you'll get the cool human dude. So it's fine. Easy peasy. Oh. No, even I'm not that cool, dude. I'm cool human, not cool human. Cool human. Okay. So what has been happening today, guys? What has happened today in the market? Something went up by 10%. Something went up like inhuman growth that much. Did we finally reach our goal of 100% in a year? Let me check, guys. One sec. How much has it gone up since we invested in Feb is my question. Wait, I'll have to. See, CDSL is also up. I agree. Come on. Why is this doing this to me? One second, I'm just logging into my small case account. 5 paisa. Who uses 5 paisa here, dude? Does anyone use 5 paisa? 374. Okay. Cams up by. What is Cams? Cams is up by 3%. Yeah. Yeah, there's a very weird rally with our stocks. So, I mean, who cares? What do you mean? Why is this rally happening? How, how do we care, guys? We have to make money. My God, the 30,000 small case is currently at 40% returns. Guys, the total small case, hey, Happiest Minds has reached 101%. Congratulations. Yes. Happiest Minds from the time I did the video in Feb, right? When I did the video in Feb, Happiest Minds is up by 101%. Loris Labs is up by 79%. Deepak is up by 55%. Naveen is up by 55. Subex is up by 27. Granules 12. Aarti is not gone up, but it's only one share. Okay, I have to change Aarti a little bit. Okay, but either way, congratulations, guys. It has gone up by 100%. This is what I wanted. 300% stocks in a year. Beautiful. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. Okay, cool, awesome. Oh, that means my thing also would have gone up today. Portfolio summary. Okay, good returns. See, power of fundamentals, guys. power of fundamentals. Xplio also went up. Yes, Vaibhav instead of Aarti. Yeah, I would prefer Vaibhav. I would actually prefer Xplio also, not Xplio so much, but yeah, Vaibhav over Aarti any day. Vaibhav, Naveen, Tata, Lexi. What's wrong with NGL? Nothing's wrong with NGL. It's going up. It gave a good result. So it's now correcting to its new price. Every time these type of stocks give a good result, they have to correct to their new price. In fact, if you had the chance, you would have bought it today because it traded for a bit, right? For someone who didn't see it. But again, I wouldn't get into NGL right now. The only reason being, it is continuously doing an upper circuit of 5%. So I don't know how long this would be. So this would be slightly scary. Is CDSL a good price? Dude, CDSL is always good. Like you can keep it until your children retire. Hopefully. As long as the stock market is there, CDSL will be there, no? Think about it that way. Yeah. Saregama went down because of correction. Subex 100, yeah, man. Subex will go. Subex will definitely go. What is Subex right now? 3,900 market cap went up by 2%. 70, yeah, yeah, yeah. Easily, easily. I'm telling you, know what will Subex do? I'll tell you what they'll do. Subex, um, what I believe what they will do, knowing what they have done in the past and how they have maneuvered everything. Hey, who said Saragama is down 5%? It was down 5% early in the morning. It's up by 4.23% now. What is this false rumors you are spreading? Even Tips was down 5%. If you guys remember, it came up by 1.19%. No, Subex is a IT company. Okay, Subex is an IT company. IT company has something known as see, IT companies operate with a lot of margins. Yes or no? When IT companies operate with a lot of margins, they have a lot of cash flow in their bank account. Yes, maybe not now, maybe tomorrow, maybe day after, maybe day after. When you have so much cash flow in your bank account, when you have so much cash flow in your, yeah, if you have cash in hand which is so much and you have so many shares in the market, what would an IT company usually do? Would they issue bonus split or would they do a buyback? Buyback, right? So that is what they will do. Eventually they will do it, not today, maybe tomorrow, but one day or the other, surely. But 100% they might do it, right? Abhinay, maybe sometime later, but they will definitely do it. So that is why you should keep it. Don't worry. See, as long as it is fundamentally good, it is fine. By the way, this Saturday I'm gonna shoot the Subex video, okay, which is gonna be my first stock research video. Anyway, what we do together, I'm gonna put it up in a proper video format, and I'm gonna show what is Subex. Debjani has done a really good job of compiling a lot of information. No, this is not a part of weekend research. This is a proper episode that I will shoot and I will put it up, right? Pre-recorded. Weekend research I will still do. Don't worry. Don't feel bad. Okay. Yeah. So massive amount of research is being made. Oh yes. Now I need one help from the community. Okay. Now I need some help for the yeah, now I need some help from the community. Now, whatever that entire Subex episode is, I'm also doing it in a presentation format. Why presentation format? So that I can upload it and then everyone can just download that research report and go watch it by themselves, right? Or understand it by themselves. Basically, all the research will go to everyone. Whoever wants to download can download. Now, when I do that, okay, I want to say, for example, Subex financial analysis, and I want to write below buy something, okay, buy something, because it is not by me, it is by something. So I want a bigger, I want a name like a cause, like for example, you see stock market research by ICICI Securities, correct? Stock market research by ICICI Securities. That is by a company, right? Which is bigger than anyone else. It is not. It is bigger than an individual. The community, right? So I want a community name. Okay. So it should. So tomorrow, when someone actually shares this to everyone, right? If you share this report to someone else, they should know exactly saying, "Oh my God, this was the research done by this community." So I want the community to become famous tomorrow. And how do we make the community famous? We need a good name. No, I don't want to put my name. My name is not the community. I want a community name. A community name, not Babylonians. It has to be related to some. I don't know. Have no idea. No, I don't want my name anywhere. It has to be a financial community. Okay. So it should be a Subex. Like, say, for example, okay, there's a research done by this company called SOIC, School of Intrinsic Compounding. So if you get a research report tomorrow saying it is a research report by SOIC, you will understand it, right? Similarly, I want something like that. Meta Finance is good. Meta Finance is good, yes. Like SOIC was a nice name, right? It's not that guy, but tomorrow the brand name will live on. The community lives on. So I want a community name, not with my name. Please don't put Shank Gang, Shank, whatever. CTD nahi samjhega. People won't understand connecting the dots. We can say Meta Finance actually. Millennials is already taken, obviously, bro, by Anish. Paisa double research. That is so good. Paisa double research. No, 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 not Paisa. Um, oh, the fundamentalist sounds so good. Sparsh, that was a nice name. The fundamentalists. Guys, what's your take on the fundamentalists? I can't even pronounce it properly. No, the fundamentalists. That's also going to be the name of the community, okay? The fundamentalist. Oh, yeah, the fundamentalist. It sounds like the people who are only on fundamental analysis. So it's going to be like the research report done by whom? Done by this group called the Fundamentalist. Fundamentalist or is, I don't know. Sounds like a movie title. Yeah, it sounds like a very heavy movie title. That's nice. So we'll call it the Fundamentalists. Just tell me if you want S or not. No S. The Fundamentalist. Okay, awesome. Or S, like, is it it's like the mentalist, implies a group, fundamentalists. Okay, awesome. Chalo, single, dude, I'm so confused now. People are saying single. Okay, I will leave this to Debjani. Debjani, you can uh, figure out what do you want to put, right? By, this is called Subex research by the fundamentalists. Okay, so this is going to be the group name. Got it, guys? No fundamental Z and all. We're not in like school or college. So we're gonna call it the fundamentalist, right? Okay. Now let's see if someone tries to mess with us. I don't think anyone has the name the fundament. No, it doesn't matter, right? I'm not trying to do SEO or I'm not trying to do. See, this is our community. Okay. The name of the community will spread by the community itself. I don't care about. Uh, Sounds very generic. Huh? Okay, let's put it as work in progress. Fundamental aliens. Oh my bro, it's too. Like, see, School of Intrinsic Compounding was so nice. Either way, do one thing. After this session today, you guys figure out a name and give it to Debjani. Debjani will finalize the name. Okay? Got it? Yeah, let's not spend too much time. School of Fundamental Analysis. Poor thing, gone. That guy will be like, dude, क्या copy किया है इसने? SOFA. School of Fundamental Analysis. SOFA. So, okay, I'm cracking myself up. Okay, that is. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna call it by sofa. Okay, screw all that. You guys figure that out after this session. Uh, Dude, don't call it COVID. Okay, whatever it is, we're gonna anyway. I'm gonna shoot it on Saturday, so you guys have time till Saturday to get a proper name out for the community. That's what the community is gonna stand for, and the community is bigger than me, so it's gonna be a proper community. And you will, I mean, you guys also have to obviously eventually run the community by yourself. Okay, so it's not only me. So either way, that's gonna be done on Saturday. I'm gonna shoot that. So maybe Monday, Tuesday after I edit it. It should work, right? Hey, something with compounding. That's also a nice thing. The compounders. She. It sounds like some. The no, no, no. The compounders sound weird. It sounds like some cement company. Okay. So by the way, let's look at what's happened in the market today. Hospital wala feel aa gaya, yeah. No, I don't. Guys, my name should not be there. Okay, let's leave this. Let's leave this. Let's talk about this much later. Okay. बाद में करेंगे. ठीक है. Yeah, exactly. Do it after the session. After the session, do whatever you want. Magicians of compounding. Oh my god. Esoteric finance. Half the Indians won't be able to. I think meta finance is the most easiest and simple because everyone's synonymous with meta in our journey, right? Just simple meta finance. Do you guys like meta finance? Because everyone knows meta anyway. Avalon meta. Simple and sweet. Okay. Okay, done. Meta finance. Yeah, meta finance is done. Okay, chalo. Done, done. Khatam, khatam. Fundamental wizards नहीं चाहिए. Meta finance. Yeah, ज़्यादा किया तो MF. Okay, so meta finance club. Okay. Devjani, you got your name. Meta finance. Fundamentally sounds too heavy also. Meta finance. Okay. Great. Finished. Finally, the duel is done. Thank you guys. चलो आज का सेशन खत्म हो गया. Enjoy, have fun. No, but either way, what we're gonna do is, I'm just kidding, guys. What we're gonna do is, why I'm doing this. I'll tell you why I'm doing this meta finance and keeping a bigger community name, because now whatever research Devjani is doing will make a nice presentation, not presentation, but like a research report type of a PPT PDF, and she will have her name on it as well. And as and when more people from the community start doing really well, right? More people come out and start doing research really well. We can have community based research, right? And we can officially put it out as meta finance research report, which a lot of people would want. Like say for example, obviously one person can't do anything, so tomorrow I want, let's take some other stock that we want to do. In a month we can literally do stock research for 4 stocks, put out all this content somewhere or the other. And no, we don't need to charge them. We don't need to charge them, guys. Don't charge people. It's dude, if it, the reason why I don't like charging people is because if I start charging you guys, how would you feel, right? When it's related to education, you should give it off for free. Like leave that, right? Education agar hai to let it go for free. Don't bother too much on education. In fact, think about this, right? The community will grow because you guys will give it out for free. Everyone would want to join this community, right? In the presentation we'll put a link for you to join the community, so anyone who spreads it will join the community. Now if you get random people into the community, right, you might find more people in the community who might want to give you guys more ideas tomorrow, correct? Think about it from that perspective. So don't charge for it. It's pointless. It's like me saying I'll charge for my videos. It's You should only charge for experience. Don't charge for knowledge. That's what I keep saying, right? Education and knowledge should be free. Experience is always paid. Like if you need my time and you want to learn personally from me, that will definitely be paid because it's my time, me coming and doing all this. But if it's education, then that should not be something that is already there outside and you're just telling it. Like for example, Subek's information is already there, but that is education. That is not something cool. Okay, got it. Yeah, yeah, no issues. So basically, just try to grow the community, and then more people will come out. More people will give more information, and obviously, who wins at the end of the day? Everyone, not me. It's everyone. So everyone wins. Everyone's happy, and everyone And imagine you'll be a part of the OG community which created this whole meta finance thing, right? So it'll be awesome. Because actually I feel that in today's date, there are a lot of finance communities, like micro small finance communities. A lot of uncles are in these micro finance communities, and you know that these guys keep helping each other out. Do you guys know that there are so many WhatsApp and Telegram groups, private, huh? You won't even get entry, and they keep helping each other out and telling them what to buy, what to sell. And don't you always feel left out, right? I definitely feel FOMO, right? Because they are, and like, I don't know. I'm not disrespecting anyone, but most of them are like Gujaratis, right? They're my Gujarati friends, and my Gujarati friends actually message me and tell me, "Dude, buy this, buy that. This is something internal that has come." Yesterday, one guy messaged me and said, "I'm investing in this thing called Precall, Pricol." Right? I don't know what Precall is, but he said, go buy Precall. This is so good, etc., etc. So I don't know, but I'm like, okay, cool. Let me go have a look at it. So etc., etc. Yeah, let's see what it is. So yeah, whatever it is, it's just about make yeah Z business recommendation. He sent me that link only. एक video भेजा था उसने saying that I'm investing in this company. Again, I don't know what it is, but either which way, the main idea is to understand and to grow together, because all you guys, you would have never heard of something known as Explio or Infobean or whatever if it was not for this community. Again, Explio I found out from someone else. Infobean I found out from someone else. I didn't find out by myself. So a lot of information I'm getting from other people, right? Not from the in fact I'm getting it from the community, not from myself. So that is how it is, and whoever's taking advantage are taking advantage. ठीक है, जो जीत रहा है वो जीत रहा है. ठीक है, who's being greedy and losing, that is up to you. But I think what I can say, uh, from my personal experience, what I have seen, the people who have been there for more than 3 months in this society, right? One second, one second. Yeah. What I was saying was, what I have realized is in the last 3 months, all the people who have been here in the last 3 months, if you guys were smart and you picked up and you were not greedy and you had the discipline to invest, you would have definitely made some money or the other, right? Not from me, but from the people around, from understanding and learning and etc. etc. Now, if you have not made, right, if you have not made it because of whatever reasons, maybe because you were greedy or something else, then it is not my fault, right? Then you have taken a bad bet. But I know for a fact, this year would have been a good year and a lot of things would have been helped by the community, right? So that is the goal, right? The goal is to learn, get ideas from the community, but take an informed decision and only invest, right? We get so many different guys keep putting different names of stocks, but we don't look at all of them. We only look at some things that are looking good. Oh yeah, this seems nice, this seems okay. So bear run mein maza aayega, right? Bear, now this is a bull run, but in the bull run also, let me tell you one more thing. In the bull run also, we've ended up making 40% return, right? By the way, that is not easy for people who think you can make 40% return in a bull run from Feb to July, March, April, May, June, July. In 5 months, we made 40% return. In a bull run also is not very easy if you don't know which stock to pick, right? Not everything is going up. Well, I don't know what the index is going up in the last 5 months. Um, Not sure. Any idea of how Sensex has gone up in the last 5 months? Let's check. The main goal always is to, like, last 6 months Sensex graph. 6 months back, Sensex was at 49,000 and now it is at 52,000. Sensex has not grown so much in the last 6 months. In the last 6 months, it's grown by 7.89%. Even though people say it's a bull rally, in the last 6 months, Sensex has gone up by 7.89%. Right? So it has not, it has corrected, in fact, the more you see it. But either way, let me check mid cap index. Yes, mid cap. I like my mid cap index more than anything else. What was mid cap index? Feb 20. First I did the video, right? It was at 23,300 and now it is at 27,600. How much is that? What is that growth? 23,300 to 27,600. That's a difference of 4,300. Around 20%, guys. 20, around, yeah, 15 to 20%. Mid cap index has gone up by 15 to 20%, and we have made 40%. Right? So that's what I'm saying. Even in a bull run, very few people can ensure that they make 40% returns, because why? We have picked some good fundamentally strong stocks. One second. Yeah. Yeah, we screwed the index by, the index is up by 20% and we are up by 40%. So have fun, guys. Enjoy. Have fun. Relax. Fundamentally good stocks, right? This is the main thing that I keep telling people. You pick fundamentally good stocks, you don't have to worry about anything else. You pick risky stocks, upper circuit stocks, you have to, obviously, you won't sleep peacefully at night. The reason why I sleep peacefully at night is because everything that I have touched is a fundamentally good stock. I will only remove it until and unless the fundamentals of that thing doesn't change. So basically, the market did a U-turn today. It was down in the morning, went up to 134 points, 52,904. Nifty 50 is at 15,854. Everyone wants it to go to 16,000. If you look at PR Sundar, even he says he wants to go for 16,000. So that is happening as well. Uh, Infosys result came out. Apparently, it has not beat the expectations of people, so they don't like it so much. Zomato IPO retail subscription has gone up by two times, 200% retail subscription. So that is something that is insane. So retail subscription is up by 2%. Oh, one sec. Yeah. So retail subscription is up by 2%. After that, what else is happening in the news? QIB portion is booked 98% on Zomato IPO. In fact, if you guys are on Twitter, I don't know how many of you are on Twitter, but if you were on Twitter, you would have seen that the Zomato founder in the morning actually tweeted saying that he put a emoji, right? He put an excited emoji. Correct. So you go see his thing. He's put a, yeah, he said he had breakfast, that too from Chayos. He did nice branding over there also, but he was quite scared. But I don't know why he was scared so much, because is, I mean, it would have anyway oversubscribed, to be honest, right? Whatever you do. So it was Dipinder Goyal, yes. So that is happening. I don't know how many of you all watch this thing called MasterChef Australia. I don't know how many of you all watch that. Do you guys watch that? No, okay, not many people watch MasterChef Australia. Sad. Um, okay, what else is happening? Apart from that, we're seeing that another IPO is coming out called Paymate. MobiKwik also applied for IPO, right? You guys know, yeah, Indian origin guy won it, Justin. I was very shocked when he won, because he wasn't that great, but he suddenly win. Um, ET said brokers recommended that should not have been done. That is not good. Who said this from ET, dude? Was this an article? The brokerages said, wait, I don't know if brokerage can recommend, IPOs for subscribe to Zomato IPO only for listing gains, says brokerage. Wait, who wrote this article, dude? What a scary article someone has written. Yes Securities, Religare, Elara Securities, Motilal Oswal. Wow. See, it doesn't matter, guys. In the grand scheme of things, we'll have to wait and see what happens. Because, see, being a private company, being a startup, and raising money constantly is a whole different game. When you actually come and do an IPO and you are in the, when you're in the public limelight, it is a completely different game, right? And here, kya hota hai? See what happens here, right? In the IPO, once you do an IPO and you come in the listing game, every quarter you have to declare your results, and every quarter you are judged. The biggest problem of an IPO company, okay, the biggest problem of running a stock listed company is that you have to perform every quarter, right? Just imagine if you guys were running an IPO stock listed company, right? Every quarter you have to perform. There is no break. Assume you released quarter one results, you're like, okay, thank God people liked it, the result was good. Then you'll be like, chalo, wapas 3 months, you have to start earning, you have to start working right now so that you earn more than what you earned last time, so that you don't be called a cyclical stock. Again, you have to start working hard so that next quarter you keep doing. There's no break. And the one time you screw up for a founder, the share price goes down. Think about it. You might screw up one time and the result is bad, the share price goes down. So isn't that what they owe to investors? Yes, so that's what I'm saying, that is what they owe to investors, and that is what I'm saying, that being a private company is a whole different issue, but being a startup is different. Being a public listed company is completely different. The pressure that is on you to perform, and it's not perform once or not perform 1 year, you have to perform as long as your CEO every single time. Even now, Apple gets trashed, right? In US, if you look at Apple, Apple gets trashed. They'll be like, oh my God, Apple sales are not happening, people are not buying it, this and that and this. Um, Too many things with respect to Apple. So again, it is, I mean, it's not easy, is what I would say, being a founder of a company like that. But again, let's see. It's going to be tough, but it's not something that he can't handle. So let's see. Next. Okay. TCS has added 7,000 more employees in the UK. My God, TCS is just hiring people left. TCS, by the way, currently employs 18,000 people only in the United Kingdom. 18% people, 18,000, 18%, 18,000 people only in United Kingdom. Just United Kingdom. Imagine how many employees they would have all around the world. Mad, right? Okay. What else? Something else interesting was there. There's a news saying Big Basket co-founder Abhinay Chaudhary buys Bangalore property for 12.5 crores. Why all these things come in the news? I really don't understand. There are so many good things that are happening in the market. Why would you do something like this? Hmm. Okay, interesting. Info Edge shares also went up today as Zomato opens for subscription. So that is obviously in the limelight. Um, by the way, PVR went up also by 3% because data showed that mutual funds in the month of June have raised their stake in PVR. Can someone connect the dots and tell me why? Can someone connect the dots and tell me why? Yeah, we're coming close to pandemic over era, right? Pandemic over era is happening soon. So we're all going back to normal. When that happens, you will see that PVR will definitely start going upwards and everything will be back to normal, etc. etc. will keep happening, right? Falana Dimkana types. Awesome. So there's one nice guy called Joshin who's giving me so many beautiful Joshin, yeah, Joshin Samuel is giving me so many good images for the community, man. I think Joshin should be the design head for this community. He's giving me so many good backgrounds for super. He's just made a background and sent it to me on Instagram right now called Super 20 by Meta Finance. So fast, so fast. Looks so beautiful. Super 20 by Meta Finance. Crazy. Um, nice. Yeah. So that is also happening. Okay. Let me take one more thing. Income tax planning not required. So apparently, the state government employees' dearness allowance has gone up. So basically, now they'll start earning slightly more with respect to dearness allowance. CAMS is up by 15%. It was up by 3% today, not 15. I'm not sure. Unless you're talking about overall. Okay. Either way, not much apart from that. Everyone's talking about Zomato. Chalo, let's do one thing. Let me take two people on stage and ask questions. Okay. Just two people, not more. Any question you want, guys? Okay. When I called one more guy, seems like he's not coming. Why you guys do this to me? Okay. Okay, bro, Abhiraj, you can ask your question till then.
Okay, so Shashank, so I have been investing for since Feb. Very nice returns. Now, what should be the next step? Like, I have a good source of income. Everything is going fine. Now, how do we manage the next step? क्योंकि एस आई पी तो चल ही रहा है साइड बाय साइड, उसके अलावा जो हमारा एग्जिस्टिंग पोर्टफोलियो है, how should I move with that? Because the portfolio is really up. Do I search for new shares, or do I keep on investing in the existing shares only?
So see, I have two portfolios, right? One is my core portfolio, that is what I keep doing SIP forever.
Mm-hmm.
These are fundamentally strong stocks that are compounding over time, like Laurus, Subex, Happiest. And every month I get salary, I put it inside. Every month I get more money, I put it inside. So these are the top 10. Then I have
Okay.
some future bets, right? Future bets is basically remaining 14 stocks, remaining other 14 stocks, which are basically these Xcleos, Infobeams, because they're good, and I want to like RACL, Geartech, Fixed Transmissions, all these companies, right? So that
Mm-hmm.
you can keep, but that should only be 30% of what you're doing, right? I 70% of my money I put it back into my core portfolio, and that is you don't
Oh.
need to stop, right? If your question is I'm getting good money from that and it has gone up, then I
Mm-hmm.
would also say that then won't it go up even more? So
Sorry, Shashank. There's some audio issue from your side. Can you repeat again?
can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, I'm saying the main goal is for the money to go up, right?
yeah.
I'm saying if your portfolio has gone up already, then what is the issue? You can keep keep doing your SIP and keep putting as long as it's multi-bagger, right? If it
So
is not a
maybe.
multi-bagger,
Mhm.
hmm,
So it's like something a little psychological also. Maybe like I'm seeing the prices constantly going up. My average buying price is increasing month on month. So does it matter really in the long run?
it doesn't matter. But what you can do is if you don't want to do it that way, then you can do an SIP every 3 months,
Hmm. Okay.
right? Or every time the market corrects heavily, you buy at that time. Or every three
Hmm.
months you do it. But either which way I mean, see, if you're investing in good stocks, whether it's a bull or a bear market, it will still go up. Correct.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. Perfect.
So that way.
Yeah.
So why stop? I keep putting more and more. See, because money makes money, right?
Yeah. Exactly.
Money.
Hmm.
So if I
It's
have
just
one
that.
lakh and yeah, so if I'm saying if I have 1 lakh and it goes up by 10%, I make 10,000 rupees. Then next
Uh,
month I average it, I put another 1 lakh. Now I have 2 lakhs and it goes up by 10%. Now I get 20,000 rupees.
Perfect.
Right?
Perfect. It's
That's
just
what I'm
that
saying.
I like shares like Happiest Minds and all. Like I purchased Happiest Mindset around 800. Now it's currently at has touched 1200, 1300 something. And I was just thinking, should I invest in it now, or should I wait and add more stocks to the portfolio? So that was
How
the
many do
only.
you have in your portfolio? It depends on that. And is your portfolio performing well or not?
Okay, perfect, perfect. Yeah.
If you have, how many stocks do you have in your portfolio?
So I have 11 stocks, nine recommended by the community. Two of my own bets. One is VA Tech Bag, and another one
Hmm.
is Kanchi Karpura. I think that also has been added as by the community. So yeah, these are there are like 11 shares, and they are really growing. So
Yeah, you can add maybe one or two more, but again, I wouldn't like the ones that you have right now are pretty decent. So I don't know. You don't need to actually, mess with something that's working. Maybe if you really want to experiment, do it with some other thing. Right? Make another other basket and try experimenting with that basket.
sure, sure, sure. Yeah, I got the gist
See,
of
I
it.
got two
Yeah.
baskets, right? I see. I keep comparing which basket goes up. My core. So basically, my core basket as SIP has gone up by a particular percentage. But my future buys basket, which is basically your Xplio and Infobeam, are obviously going up much faster, much faster,
Precisely.
right? Someone's asking why Horus Labs is falling because it went up too much, also, guys. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, that's it,
So yeah,
Shashank. That's it from my side.
that's what I would say.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome,
Okay.
perfect.
Thanks.
Thank you. Okay, awesome, guys. That's it for today. I have to head back. and start working on my presentations. I have around 8 episodes that I'm going to shoot this weekend, at least 5 this weekend, if possible. So let's see. Yeah. Is it a good time to invest in Lotus? Always, always, always. Fundamentally strong. Don't worry about it. Okay. Chalo. Disclaimer: everything is for educational purposes. There's nothing that is recommended for a buy or sell. So please don't listen to me with respect to any buy or any sell orders. Okay. Thank you guys. Do your own research before investing. Please read the offer document also carefully before investing. Okay. Chalo. Bye.